In myViewBoard, if you want to open files from your local or cloud storage or My Library, you need to first sign in. In the bottom right, find the profile icon and make sure you click the sign in button. It should have your name or your email. It should not say guest. From there, in the main toolbar, locate the folder or the file manager. When you open it, find Open File. From here, you can access My Library, which are files you imported from myviewboard.com, your local drive, which would be your computer, or other cloud services like Google Drive or OneDrive. Note that you need to connect your cloud drive before you can import from them. Other cloud services will show up down here, including services like Dropbox if it's been enabled by your organization. When you select a location to import, it'll pull up the folder or file structure. Double-click or double-tap to open a folder. Or in the top right, you can search for files. We can open Google Slides, PowerPoints, Word docs, Google Docs, PDFs, Smart Notebook files, or Flipcharts. So here you can see a Google Slides presentation. If I choose Open File, it opens it directly. If I want to choose specific slides, you can then pick which individual pages you want to open by unchecking or checking the boxes. Over here, you can see that things like PowerPoints or Smart Notebook are imported as objects by default, meaning they're not a screenshot, they're interactive. If you want it as a screenshot, choose Background. Google Docs and PDFs and Word documents can only be imported as a background. They are not interactive. You also can choose the orientation. PowerPoints are already in landscape, so stay in landscape. However, if you have a Google Doc or a PDF, they will also come in landscape, but you'll have the option of choosing portrait. You'll also notice that this checkbox, Import in a New Tab, is selected. That means up here, where we can add tabs, when I open this presentation, it's going to open in a new tab here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Import, and you'll see here, my new tab was created, and now I have my presentation in myViewBoard. And the benefit of this is it's interactive, so I can move my objects. If I write or annotate over it, and I go forward a page and back a page, everything sticks or stays.